Hi my friends, today I have this ceramic tea set and it's from Madhata tea set, which is from the fairy tale Alice in Wonderland. And let's find what's inside. So we have set of painting colors, the teapot, 4 cups and 4 saucers. We have the sugar jar and the milk jug, and let's open it. And of course there's one brush paint, and look at the size here, which is it, like it's showing from the pack. They look like too big in the pack, but when you open it it's a bit tiny and small. And let's go paint it. So we have this is the teapot, and that's the lid. It's so gorgeous and very nice size. That's the sugar jar and the milk jug. So as you can see here, we have black, pink, orange, red, yellow and blue, and all these like main colors that we can use for painting. I'm opening now the paint. So I opened all the paint. I will keep them here, and so I will try with the teapot first. And as you can see here, the teapot, like they draw like a clock, which is that will like always be with the rabbit in this fairy tale. And the colors for the teapot are blue, white and green. So I will try my best to make the same colors, but I can't like promise to make like a correct shape for the clock. Maybe if we can use stickers for this clock, but I don't have now. I will just try to paint it like without the clock, and let's see how it's gonna look. So let's go start it. So as we said, it's, you can see it's hard to keep the paint on. So I will make the video faster while I'm painting the tea set, and I will meet you when I finish it.